Hello viewers, welcome to my technological world. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you'll be receiving any future video updates whenever we release them. Today we are going to talk about Lenovo Z5 Pro. Currently Lenovo is quite busy in the smartphone market with a couple of new launches. The company is planning to unveil the successor of Z5. The new device will be named as Lenovo Z5 Pro. As per the rumors, Lenovo Z5 Pro is expected to have an in-display fingerprint scanner, which has become a new trend these days. It will also have a slide-out camera similar to OPPO Find X or you can say Honor Magic 2. If these rumors turn out to be true, then Lenovo Z5 Pro will become a perfect choice for the user. The smartphone will be powered and equipped by 2.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm STM710 Snapdragon 10nm processor, a 6 GB of RAM and Adreno 16 graphic processor will ensure phone runs smoothly even the most memory-intensive applications with no sign of lag. 128 GB of internal storage will not be open for expansions at all. The phone will come with a large 3350 mAh battery to support its 6.39-inch screen with AMOLED display, having a resolution of 1080 by 2340 at 403 ppi. The screen is to be protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass. Lenovo Z5 Pro will boast of dual front camera of 16 and 8 megapixels and dual rear camera of 16 megapixels plus 24 megapixels. It will support face detection and higher dynamic range HDR images as well. Now viewers, step by step we are going to discuss about some of other specification about the new Lenovo Z5 Pro. It has a Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen, 6.39 inches display, resolution will be 1080 by 2340 pixels, Android 8.1 Oreo, Qualcomm STM710 Snapdragon processor, 64 or 128 GB of ROM and 6 GB of RAM, infrared face recognition fingerprint which will be under display, alert type will be vibration, MP3 and WAV ringtones. It has the fast battery charging, 3350 mAh battery. It's coming in only black color. Its expected price is about 300 euros. And the expected release date is November 11, 2018. Now again viewers, these are all rumors and latest news and updates for you, and we have a disclaimer to announce that we do not guarantee for these information that these are the 100% accurate or not, but these are the latest news and rumors. So please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video, how do you like these information, these news and rumors, and we are waiting for your valuable comments. Consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon as well and like this video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.